Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And also take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the pound dollar, we are definitely in an uptrend, as you can see. I mean, if we go to the very high time frames, I mean, there's really nothing stopping this thing from just continuing up. And my target for this move up is actually all the way up to about the 1.5 area to finish off what I think is a wave C. So I am extremely bullish on the higher time frames. Now, I do agree that it kind of seems like we should potentially make a bigger pullback. But I also do see this as possibly being a traditional ABC. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. It looks like 1, 2, 3 up. And then it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. It looks like a traditional ABC correction. If that is true, which it definitely looks like it could be, and the fact that the higher time frame is definitely still in an uptrend, odds are that this will end up going up and probably making new highs and just continuing the much higher time frame uptrend. Now, I will be live streaming for that on YouTube today for the FOMC interest rate news, which should be a really big news event. So make sure you stop in for my YouTube live stream this later on today to see my latest analysis on all your favorite pairs. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.